Hello guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel, and if you're just tuning to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. So I'm actually in a hurry. I'm trying to tidy up my room, doing some other things. That's why I'm gonna rush this video, so please bear with me. But all the same, today I promise you guys that we're going to be making something. So yes, we're going to be making body butter for kids. All right, so it's just meant to glow their skin actually. All right, so let's go make body butter. All right guys, so the ingredients we use in making our body butter meant for kids is also meant to glow their skin. We would use mango butter. These are mango butter. We need 30 grams of mango butter. Our unrefined shea butter, we would need 52 grams of shea butter. Now I know some people will ask, Mickey, why are we using shea butter? Hope you know, you even said it on your channel that shea butter darkens the skin, but hope you know they are kids, and naturally kids skin tend to exfoliate itself. All right, so most times a cream that cannot even lighten us one bit can lighten kids quickly. All right, so we're using unrefined shea butter, 52 grams of unrefined shea butter. We're using our beeswax as a base, so we're using 15 grams of beeswax, and we're using our rose oil as fragrance. Now it doesn't matter, but for kids you can decide to go for chamomile oil for fragrance in order to calm their nerves, just as massage. You can use this as a massage butter for them. So you decide to go for chamomile oil. You can also go for lavender oil. You can go for jojoba if you want to use jojoba oil for them. Those are the oils that are really, really suitable for them. Even castor oil, you can do that, but castor oil is a carrier oil, right? But it doesn't matter if you want to use it as a fragrance. But it doesn't really have a smell, does it? I haven't really noticed a particular good smell when it comes to castor oil. So if I were to go for oil for your kids, you could definitely go for lavender oil because it helps in calming them and also to massage their body. All right, so we also need our carrot oil. Now when it comes to kids, it's always good for you to go all organic on them. All right, carrot oil will help in lightening their skin. Just little things can actually lighten their skin, because normally the skin of a child tends to exfoliate itself, as I said earlier. All right, so carrot oil is good. So you can definitely use 25 ml of our carrot oil. That's what we're using. Okay, so now what we have to do now is get a container. We're going to be using this container. See, it's free. We're going to be using this container. Normally would have added our oil into this, but I don't want to do it that way. No, I want it to be as pure as possible. So we're going to be adding our beeswax. We're not going to be adding our butters yet. We allow the beeswax to heat up completely first, because if we add the butters now, we're going to end up killing the butters, and we don't want that. So we're going to wait for when the oil is completely melted, then we add our butters. The butters will not melt completely, they will be almost melting, right? Then we add the butters as well as the oil. All right, so let's go over to our double boiler method, or even our cooker. I'm using cooker because it has to be fast. All right, so this is our pot. Since we're using the double boiler method, well, what we're going to use now is just put a bowl on top of it and allow it to heat up a bit. Then we'll come back. All right, so for now, you can see how the oil looks like. It's completely dissolved. So now we need to add our butter into it. Huge! Wow, that's kicked off. As well as this. All right, I'm actually in the rushing zone. You can see how all right, but doesn't matter. All right, so we just have to allow it to heat up a bit, and then we add our oil. That way we're not killing the oil. All right, that's why we're adding the oil right now. Okay, just need it to get melted, but not completely melted though, because I know some people go and melt their own now. No, don't melt it completely, please, please, please. You're still meant to see some shreds of it. All right, so all right, the shea butter hasn't melted. Still finding it a bit difficult to melt. You see how the shea butter is? It's still a bit thick. Alright, it's getting soft but not that soft. Okay, we're going to take it out pretty soon. All right, so at this stage you can see it, we can actually take it out now at this stage because we don't want to kill the butter completely. You can see it. All right, so what is needed is for us to use our whisker to begin to whisk it. That's all. All right, so now we get to add our fragrance. Sorry for shaking it. Alright, you can see our body butter. You see how yum it looks, right? Okay, you can see how chunky the butter is looking now, right? So that is exactly how our butter should look. It shouldn't look soft. Why on the edges, if you notice these edges are like having butters, use your spatula to pull it back in. You know, use one hand to hold this. Use the spatula to pull it back in. Alright, then we whisk it a bit because we've already got to what we wanted. Alright, so you can see the butter, right? Yep. So we've actually gotten exactly what we wanted. And this butter can actually be used by all and sundry, and you can use it on kids because it's safe. You didn't add any whitening additives and the rest, and it can also be used for adults because of the rose oil we added into it as fragrance. All right, so I hope you guys actually enjoyed that video. If you noticed, I was in a hurry, so you noticed some butters were spilling out. Well, never mind. That is how to make body butter for kids. All right, you're not including any whitening additives, nothing. And I already said it so many times in the video. If you probably didn't hear then, now you're hearing now. Their body actually tends to exfoliate itself, so you don't need to add any other additives into it. That is just perfect for their body. All right. And yes, some people will be like, shea butter actually shea butter actually darkens me. All right. But when it comes to kids, no. Right, it's actually very good on them, very, very good. Just like coconut oil that tends to darken some skin and is also a comedogenic oil, when used on kids, very lovely. All right. So, and the reason why I didn't use coconut oil, instead I used carrot oil. Carrot oil will actually help in lightening them a little bit. All right, shield them from the sun and will also lighten them a bit. And now some people will be like, okay, why did you use mango butter and not maybe cocoa butter or avocado butter? Avocado butter, as you guys know, is for mature skin. Now mango butter is soothing on the skin. It's a soft butter, it's not heavy. All right, cocoa butter is actually nice and mild on their skin, but we don't want butters that take a longer period to absorb on the body. All right, so I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I love you guys like key, low, day. Bye guys.